Today we talk about such city which is known as City of Gold. World tallest building also in this city. You were thinking right, it's Dubai. Discover the magic of Dubai, a journey into the City of Gold. Dubai, the City of Gold, invites you to experience the magic that unfolds here. This is not merely a city, but a universe in itself, brimming with possibilities. Welcome to Dubai, where tradition meets innovation. Experience the rich heritage of the Bedouins while marveling at the futuristic architecture that dominates the skyline. Bask in the golden glow of the sun as it sets over the pristine beaches of Dubai. Feel the cool sea breeze and the warm sand underfoot, a sensation unique to this haven. Every corner of Dubai tells a story. The Dubai Museum on Al Fahidi Street encapsulates history, displaying artifacts dating back to 3000 BCE. Dubai has a luxurious palate. Indulge in gastronomic delights in the city's top-notch eateries. Taste a fusion of cultures through the exotic Middle Eastern and international cuisines on offer. Shopping in Dubai is an adventure. From shiny megamalls to charming little souks, uncover the best-kept secrets and find treasures to carry back home. Marvel at the towering Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. Stand atop the skyscraper and witness the panorama of Dubai unfolding beneath you. Explore the Palm Jumeirah, a man-made marvel that's visible from space. Luxurious resorts and stunning villas, this palm-shaped island is Dubai's symbol of opulence. Experience the adrenaline rush at Dubai's theme parks. With rides that defy gravity, each park promises a day packed with excitement for everyone. Endure a thrilling ride over the Dubai dunes. As the sun sets, the desert comes alive with traditional dances and lip-smacking cuisine under the starlit sky. Satisfy your artistic appetite at El Circle Avenue. This industrial compound turned arts district marries creativity with culture and is a haven for art lovers. Stroll through the Dubai Miracle Garden, witnessing the city's love for nature. This beautiful garden showcases millions of flowers arranged in stunning displays. Dubai's nightlife is as exciting as its days. Dance the night away at pulsating clubs or enjoy a quiet dinner on a dhow cruise under the stars. Experience luxury at the Burj Al Arab. Known as the world's only 7-star hotel, it offers an unforgettable stay with incredible views and unmatched hospitality. Explore Old Dubai and the Dubai Creek. Here, the old and the new coexist seamlessly, creating an atmosphere that's vibrant and full of life. Dubai's global village brings together cultures from around the world. Shop, eat, and experience entertainment from various countries, all in one place. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of the Sheikh Zayed Mosque. With its pristine white domes and intricate architecture, it's a sight to behold. Don't miss the Dubai Fountain, the world's largest choreographed fountain. Enjoy the visual symphony as water, light, and music come together to create a mesmerizing spectacle. Dubai is more than just a city, it's an experience, a journey into a world where dreams become reality. Where every day brings a new discovery, a new story. Discover Dubai, and discover a piece of yourself in this magical city. The City of Gold awaits you with open arms. Come, fall in love with Dubai. Please subscribe our channel to watch more interesting videos like that and press the bell icon for updated new videos.